Avatar tuning kit for American sports car Chevrolet Corvette C8. Hello everyone, my name is Alina, and today at our Larte Design studio we have a brand new project, Avatar. We have prepared 23 carbon fiber parts, and together we will see how it looks on the car. Each detail has its distinctive character and common DNA with the Chevrolet Corvette itself. The design is based on the aggression, speed and dynamics. All parts are made of 100% carbon fiber. Each element is handmade by the craftsmen of Larte Design manufacturing. The car has several brand logos in the form of a shield. Each detail is branded and has a serial number. Let's start from the front of the car and straight away from the coolest detail. The high, aggressive texture of the hood is not only gorgeous, but also designed to drain the rainwater. Next to the hood, along the full length of the part, there are powerful carbon gill elements. The image of the car became dynamic and aggressive. The hood is installed in the place of the stock one, and from the inside it completely repeats the factory part. It is covered with a matte varnish and goes on the same mountings, so the gaps are perfect. Look at the front bumper. We have installed the splitter. Its shape repeats the contour of the bumper, but make it more extensive and sporty due to these aerodynamic fins. It replaces the stock part simply and easily. Trims on the air intakes now are made of carbon fiber, and our designers have added one more horizontal element, so the character of the part becomes more aggressive immediately, and it is fixed with a structural sealant. The fender is equipped with a signature design, a stylish element with the aerodynamic fin, which we have seen on the splitter, and the Larte Design logo on it. It is fixed on the sealant with the help of the sample, so that you could be sure that it is installed correctly. And we have the same sample for the gill element. I want to emphasize that all the materials used for the installation and manufacturing are certified according to the standards of the German organization TÜV. Let's go further, and we see quite extensive side seals with the typical chevrons for the Chevrolet Corvette. On the bottom it is fixed with the help of the bolts, and on the top it is fixed with a sealant. The detail is ambitious and looks very impressive. The mirror covers have an original design, and the door handles are made of carbon fiber with its aerodynamic fins. They are installed on the original elements, and the mirror covers replaces the stock part. On the engine cover we have 5 carbon fiber elements. 4 of them repeat the shape of the stock part, and one more rear screen deflector. It is interesting from the design and functional purpose. You know that there is a gap between the glass and the body where the rainwater flows in and forms the ugly stains. So our detail keeps the water out and there will be no incrustations. The spoiler is powerful and has a classic sporty design on the high bases. The bases repeat the shape of the stock one, so it will be installed on the same mounting points. The horizontal bar, on the other hand, has acquired additional side elements and looks really cool. For the Avatar project, we have developed 2 variants of the rear diffuser. So the first one will be made for the stock exhaust system with additional brake lights, and the second option is really powerful and represented on the car right now. Aggressive design with a central exhaust. So here you can see 4 muffler tips where our exhaust system will fit. It was developed especially for the body kit Avatar by our German partners in Germany. Can you imagine how this car will sound? And there is no escaping the fact that the Chevrolet Corvette with the Larte Design rear diffuser looks visually more expensive than its powerful Z06 version. The diffuser is installed on the regular mounting points. All the parking sensors work properly. If necessary, it is completed with the reflective elements. Today we have talked about the design and a little bit about the installation process. We provide a full support from the selection of parts to the finished cars. We have partners all over the world and proved aftermarket centers where the Larte Design body kits have been installed many times. By ourselves, we do the installation in Germany, in Düsseldorf, so come. As for delivery, the Larte Design cars drive along the roads in 5 continents. Our brokers know how to deliver anywhere in the world. So each part will be safely packed into the several layers of the protected film. And with such robust wooden boxes, you can be sure that everything will come to you safe and sound. And I know it's really important for you, so we will take care about all the custom clearance procedures, and all shipments take place from our warehouse in Düsseldorf. Let's get back to the car. Let's remember all the details which are included in the Avatar body kit. Splitter, trims on the air intakes, hood, side fender covers, grille elements, mirrors, sills, door handles, rear window deflector, large spoiler, rear diffuser with exhaust system. Each part can be ordered and installed separately. It's up to you how to customize your car. Want your Avatar? Contact us and we will do this together. You design your own car and we will handle all shipping and customs, so you can easily have an exclusive Chevrolet Corvette C8 Avatar. Want to know more information? Email us and we will have a video meeting where I will tell you more details and will help you to make the right choice. So subscribe us on YouTube and Instagram. Write comments. Your opinion is really important for us. Thanks a lot for your attention and have a nice day. Always with you, Larte Design team.